Sharpe's Bay is a respite from the rest of the regular world around us. So for us as a family, I think that's what Sharpe's Bay is. It's a place to truly remove yourself from the hustle and bustle of this very busy world we live in. My name is Christopher Pells, and I am the founder, owner, and developer of Sharpe's Bay. And this film represents one of the most exclusive opportunities to own real estate on the BC coast. We are at the northernmost point of the Sunshine Coast, about 45 minutes north of Powell River, and Sharpe's Bay is located directly across the Copeland Island Marine Park. Desolation Sound is rated as one of the top 3 yachting destinations on the planet, and the summer water temperatures top out at about 82 degrees. The ocean is literally teeming with life here, and there are opportunities to explore all the areas and fjords of Desolation Sound. The reuse of materials on the property, raw materials on the property, was quite extensive, and we utilized the fir and larger cedar trees for the larger timber elements that you see throughout the development. The clubhouse represents the owner's cabin, a place where the owners can retreat from the hustle and bustle of the activities, the more social activities on the upper portion of the property, and retreat to their own quiet space. One of the things we consistently hear from our guests at Sharpe's is how incredibly well they sleep. And of course, a big part of that is the quiet of this place and the incredible beauty of the songbirds that are ever present. I can hear them in the background right now. And there must be some connection to ocean, quiet, and birds that gives you an incredibly deep and peaceful sleep. Because without fail, it's universal here that people have some of their best sleeps. Coming to Sharpe's is really quite otherworldly in a way, and the pace of life here is exceptionally slow and really does slow down and gives you the opportunity to focus on what matters in the moment. And it's like an eddy in the river of life, and coming here you really feel like you're out of the mainstream and in your own little heaven, and yeah, it's pretty special. we feel the busyness out there, and we feel the 8-odd billion people that we are now. And here, it's the extreme opposite of that. So it's remarkably quiet, peaceful, and the feeling that we have is that we tend to lose track of time, and not knowing what day it is pretty much a daily occurrence here. So that's Sharpe's Bay.